Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a fire. This is begin. So we do 1 and we do control 2. Go to edit mode, X-ray mode, extrude, extrude. So scale, extrude, scale, like so. Then we have a basic fire. And we add a displacement modifier. And choose new. And we choose object. And change this to so now there it goes, like so. Change it to so minus. Then we go to texture and we choose go here, and image in movie you go here and choose clouds. And we take it like so. So I think it's good. We have some good in this. Then we choose take the empty. So 1 GX. Then we add. Then we go to N and we take this up and we choose add a keyframe. Y. Add a keyframe. Okay. And then it's on X. Do Y. Then we do go to 70 and go to X and do T and Y. Then we got the heavy. So we go back and now okay, and this is you have to go to modify display and choose empty. Now we will have an animation. So when you add an empty and you do it, change this to empty and you have a animation like so. Then we can change it 632. or something like it. But this is the beginner, and you can do all kinds of what you wanted to do with this. So there you have it, and subscribe and like this video, so we see you in the